Hello, I'm Mrs. S from Steps to Success Maths. In this video, we're working through solving linear equations with brackets. We're going to start with some easy exam-style questions and work our way through to the hardest exam-style questions on this topic. Make sure you pause the video, have a go, and then we'll work through it together step by step. Solve 3 bracket x minus 6 close bracket equals 12. Okay, so first of all, make sure you understand what the bracket means. It means 3 times everything inside the bracket is equal to 12. So the first way I'm going to show you how to do this is to look at the number outside the bracket, which is 3, and compare it to what's the other side of the equals. So 3 goes into 12. 12 can be divided by 3. So our first step can be to divide both sides of our equation by 3. So that gives us x minus 6 is equal to 4. I don't need to put the brackets round x minus 6 anymore because there's nothing multiplying it outside the bracket. Now my next step is to get rid of this take away 6. So I need to add 6 to both sides of my equation. X is equal to 10. Solve 2 bracket 3x plus 5 bracket equals 14. So start by looking at the number in front of the bracket, the 2, and comparing it to the one the other side of the equal sign, the 14. So 2 goes into 14, so I can divide both sides of my equation by 2. That leaves me with 3x plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, the 3x is wrapped up, so I need to get rid of this plus 5. So do the opposite, so take away 5 to both sides of the equation. 3x is equal to 2. And now I need to divide by the 3, because at the moment it's timesing. So I've got x equals 2 over 3. 2/3. Solve 5 bracket 3x plus 1 bracket equals 7. Okay, so this time the 5 doesn't divide into 7. So we need to multiply out the bracket before we solve the equation. So I use a table to multiply out the bracket. I write the 5 here, and then what was in the bracket here? 3x plus 1. And I'm multiplying. 5 times 3x is 15x, and 5 times 1 is 5. So I've got 15x plus 5, and I put that back with my equation, equals 7. And this is what we're going to solve. So we need to get rid of this plus 5, and the opposite of plus 5 is subtract 5. So that leaves me with 15x is equal to 2. Now I've got 15 times x and I need to do the opposite. So divide by 15, which gives me x equals 2 over 15. 8 bracket 2x plus 3 equals 19. Okay, so 8 doesn't go into 19. So we need to multiply out the bracket first. Use our grid. 8, 2x plus 3. 8 times 2x is 16x, and 8 times 3 is 24. So then we've got 16x plus 24, and that's equal to 19. Okay, so we need to get rid of the plus 24, so we're going to need to take away 24. 16x equals negative 5. Now we need to divide by 16. So x equals negative 5 over 16. And again, it's perfectly fine to leave the answer as a fraction, and don't forget that this one's a negative. Solve 3x minus 8 equals 2x plus 4. Okay, so this one doesn't have a bracket in it, but it's got an x on both sides of the equation. And in a minute, we're going to do one that does have a bracket in it, but first of all, let's make sure we can solve one that looks like this. So, when you've got x's on both sides, you need to choose the side with the most of them, or the most positive. So on this one, we want to look at the 3x side. That's the one that's got the most x's, which means we don't want the x's that are on the other side of the equation. We don't like these two x's. So we're going to start by getting rid of them. And the opposite of 2x is take 2x. So take away 2x from both sides of this equation. 3x take away 2x is just 1x, or x on its own. We haven't touched the number, so that's still take away 8, is equal to, now the two x's have disappeared on this side and we just have 4 left. So we've got x minus 8 is equal to 4. And now we need to add 8 to both sides of the equation. So we've got that x is equal to 12. Solve. 4 bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 7 bracket 2x plus 4. Okay, so we've got brackets on both sides and we're going to need to multiply them all out before we start. So we're going to need 2 little grids. The first one's got 4, then 3x minus 2. 4 times 3x is 12x, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Be really careful with the negative, make sure you carry it all the way through your brackets. And then we've got to do the other one, which is 7 times 2x plus 4. So 7 times 2x is 14x, and 7 times 4 is 28, plus 28. Now we're going to rewrite this equation with everything that we've just worked out. So we've got 12x minus 8 is equal to 14x plus 28. Now choose the side that has the most x's. So that's this one with 14x. And get rid of the x's from the other side. So take away 12x. That leaves you with minus 8, because we haven't done anything to the number part, is equal to 14x take away 12x is 2x, and we've still got plus 28. Now we need to do the next step. So we like the 2x and we don't like the plus 28. So we're going to take away 28. Negative 8 take 28 is negative 36, and that's now equal to 2x. And the x is timesing by 2 at the moment, so if we divide both sides by 2, we're going to get negative 18 is equal to x. And even though we've worked it out and it's written the wrong way round, we can just swap it over. It means the same thing. X is equal to negative 18. A rectangle has side lengths 4 centimetres and x plus 5 centimetres. The area of the rectangle is 32 centimetres squared. Find the value of x. Okay, so how do you work out the area of a rectangle normally? You just do the base times the height, or the length times the width. So we need to do 4 times x plus 5. And we're going to put the x plus 5 in a bracket because we need to multiply all of it by 4. And we know that that is equal to 32 because we're told the area of the rectangle is 32. So we have to solve 4 bracket x plus 5 is equal to 32. So we're going to start by having a look. Does 4 go into 32? Yes, it does. So our step 1 can be to divide both sides by 4. So we've got x plus 5 is equal to 8, because 32 divided by 4 is 8. And now we need to take away 5 from both sides. So x is equal to 3. It's really important that you get really confident with this topic, so I've linked a free worksheet with worked solutions in the comments. And don't forget to check out the algebra playlist and look for the next video where we talk about forming and solving linear equations.